Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to make email template on Gmail account. It is rare to create an email template in a Gmail, and it is also difficult for individual to create an email template in Gmail. So in this video, if you follow the step-by-step guideline, you will find out how much easy to create an email template in Gmail account. So I already did complete a email template and sent it to my friend. So let me give you the example here. Just click on send, and then you can go here and you can see that we already created our Gmail template here. So if you watch till the end, then you are really able to add your email template in your Gmail account and you can easily send to your friends. So let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you need to go on Chrome Web Store and you need to search an extension in the search panel which name is email template. Once you search here, hit the enter button and then you will get suggestion here, and the first one in the row, it will be email templates by CloudSQ. So it is the extension I need for the email template. So I will go and then it will be redirect me to this page, and here I have option to add to Chrome. So I will click here and I will need to be wait, and the pop-up will be come over here and you need to be click on this button add extension. Just click over here and it will be take a while and it will be auto redirect you to the Gmail. Then just complete the fulfill the step and next, again next, and again next, and click on OK. Now you can see our template extension has been installed perfectly. So now click on the cross. So let's give you the example by creating a new email. Just click on compose and then choose the receptionist who you want to send your email. So I will choose Almahin65. So I got the suggestion and click over here and give a subject. So I will send a happy Halloween template to my friend. So I will give a subject that will be happy Halloween, and then I will go over here in the down bar and I will click on insert template. Once I click here, they will give me browse template option. In here you can see we already have 1859 templates here. So it is ready for users, so I can easily use in my email box. So now I want a template which is related to Halloween. So click in the search template option, and so here you can see when we write Halloween, they already suggested as the Halloween option. So here you need to click your desired one, which design are really amazing for you. So I will choose this one, new Halloween menu, or I will choose this one, 3 numbers. So I will click here. Once I click over here, they will give me all the options, like I have all the access to edit, add or modify. So here I will add something about my friend. So happy Halloween, I will here write happy Halloween happy. So you can see I can add here, I can change the font also, I can change the font size, I can make it italic, I can do anything I want here, I can edit it, I can remove it. I have the full authority to do what kind of stuff I want, so I can make it responsible too. So it is really awesome. So confirm it and let's make the preview option. Once you click on the preview, you are able to see is it looking really well or not. Like when you will send the email, how the receiver will see it in phone, then how he will see it in the tab, how he will see it in desktop. So it's really awesome. So now after completing all the tasks, you need to be click on send. Once you click on the send, it will be sent to your friends. So here if you want to see it, is it really sent or not, just go and check out. And here you can see our Gmail has been sent, and we are now can use template in our Gmail section. So if you want any business template to your Gmail, so you need to be go here. So you need to be click on insert template option, and now you need to be click on browse template. Just click over here, and here they give you suggestion for e-cards. So here you need to be click on just search template and search for business. Once you search for business, always remember that you need to be click on all. Okay, then completely you will find out your business option here. If you don't found anything by searching business, then go over here and search by one. In here you will find out business. Just click over here and you can see the business option and you can add it here. So it looks really nice if you see it. So you can, again I want to mention that you can easily edit it or you can use for your product too. So you can easily edit here, you can add your logo in here. Just click over here and here you can option to upload your image. So right now I don't want to change it because I don't have any logo myself right now, so I want to edit this image. So I will click over here and they will give me option to resize, crop, then they have option for filter too. I will click on filter, then I will type to sharpen, and once I click on sharpen, like you have the access to do what you want. So I will save it and next I will change the text. So I will here type free shipping. Like what kind of stuff do you want in your email template, you are invited to do. So here if you want to remove this section, you are able to remove it, or if you want to add further more option, you are able to do it too. So here you can see this option. So if you want to add new item, just click over here and they will already add it. If you want to make it size perfectly, just you can resize it too. Just reduce the size and here you can see it's totally resize and it looks really nice right now. If you want to change your product, like if your product is like watch or your clothing type of product, then you can easily change this product from this place. Just click over here and here they give you the option for change. Just click on upload image, or you have more images option you can use by stock photo. It is provided by email template company. So here if you want to change the direction, then you are able to do it too. Here you can change the direction or you can do anything, like you have drag and drop option which make it more easy to accessible for everyone. So now if you want to add your Facebook or social media location, you are able to do it too. In here you need to just paste your Facebook option or Facebook link here, Twitter link here, and also you have more option here. If you want to fix your alignment, then you can do it from that place. So if you want to change the email, you can, like I will make sure that my email will be admin@store.com. so you can see I have full access to change everything here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you don't able to understand any little bit step, then ask me on comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel.